YouTube channel RK SoftAcademy. So today's topic is one of my follower has been asked me. He wrote me a quote some text. He wrote me, "Hello sir, I have been following your YouTube videos from a long time. Thank you so much for the brief explanation, sir. I have a doubt in the PLSQL cursor concept. Hope you explain it point-wise. Thank you, sir." In the image attached below, I have written. He attached the image. I'll show you. And he is asking two questions here. Exit when a C1% row C1% not found above dbms output line. One line in the code he just written here. Another line of the code he has written exit when C1% not found below dbms output line. Okay, and the output is different for two programs. So okay, and next he is writing that could you please explain, sir, what actually happened in the second program. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Okay, so thank you for this question. I'll definitely discuss all this doubt of your point wise. Okay, so whenever you have some question in your mind after watching my video, you just put that question in the comment section, so that everybody knows about the question, and I'll definitely try to make a video on that so that all people can learn from it. Okay, so I'm very much I always wanted to try help people in teaching my whatever my experience is. Today's I'll discuss about this topic. Okay, and he has attached one file, image file, and here he was trying something for his program, and he have written a cursor, and here he start begin open. So basically he have written two block of a code which is actually processing some records using cursor. So and he is asking why the output is different from these two block of code. Okay, so I am explaining in detail here, taking his content, whatever he sent. Okay, so here I see declare. Okay, say so it is cursor C1 is select star from SID. Okay, selecting records from the SID table, all the records, right. So begin is fine, open, cursor is opened, and loop, once cursor is opened, we have to start loop and we have to end loop. I cannot see here end loop. Yes, there is a end loop. Yes. Okay, so after loop you have to fetch the cursor rows into a variable. Okay, that is fine. And next is you have to exit when cursor name person not found. This is the next command. It should be the next command. I'll explain why it should be the next command. So exit when cursor name person not found. Then he writes like dbms output dot put line a dot salary. So he is printing, actually displaying the salary of the whatever the employee may be. salary is just displaying, and loop is end, close cursor, and okay, fine. Now there are four records, and salary is displaying 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, and 80,000. Fine. So now this is fine. Okay, and second one is declaring, okay, cursor is declared, cursor begin, open cursor name loop, fetch cursor name into a, that is fine. And here he used dbms output dot put line salary. Okay, after fetch the cursor he used dbms output, and then he exit when he has written exit when condition after the dbms output and end loop. And in this case the output is coming like 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 80,000, and again 80,000. So he is asking why the result is coming different if the position of exit when condition before dbms output and exit when position after dbms output, right? Okay, I'll explain. See here, fetch cursor name into this, and exit when condition must be after the cursor fetch. Okay, because cursor is basically a row by row process. Okay, so once at a time one row is being collected from the cursor row set. Okay, and it is processing, it will process that row, and after that once process is completed on that row, and it will next fetch the second row. Okay, so after fetch, if the cursor found no rows, so the cursor has to be exited. Fine, I repeat, once the cursor not fetch any rows, let's say this table has no rows, so first in the first occurrence the cursor will not found any rows. Okay, so it will exit that point, because when the cursor will not find any row, it should be exited, it will not nothing will be processed, right? So that's why the fetch after fetch exit when condition should be applied here. And if you and okay, here I taking the four rows, the table has four rows, so four employees salary is displaying, because first one the fetching the first one row, it is fetching first one row, but this condition is false because it is fetching already one row, and it is printing this salary, first salary, right? Now next, coming to the next loop, now loop ends and it going to the next record to process. Now next record, it is for getting the 20,000 where salary is 20,000. So this condition is false, and dbms output dot put line, so this salary is displaying by this message. Okay, so 20,000 is displaying. Okay, and for the third row same, it once it second row is process finishing the process, then it process the third row, come to the third row, pointer comes to the third row, and this condition is becoming false because it is already getting the third row. So it is founding the row, so not found is false, so it is displaying the third salary. Okay, 50,000. Now it is coming to the fourth row, and salary is, it is fetching the salary, so this condition is false, and it is displaying the fourth salary. Okay, so this is 80,000. Now when it is searching for the fifth row, there is no fifth row, right? So now exit when cursor name person not found is true. So when this condition is true, it will jump to the end loop. the control jump to the end loop. Okay, because it is straightly defined that exit when cursor name percent not found. When row is not found, it should be exited. That means it will control comes to the end loop, so it will not print anything. The control will not come dbms output line, so it will not print anything. Okay, so till 80,000 it will print, and next it will exit the cursor and close the program. Fine. And I am coming to the second block of code. Here cursor having 4 rows, right? Now first row, when the cursor fetching first row, see here when cursor is fetching first row, it is printing the first salary 10,000. Then it is coming to the exit when condition, and it is false. That so it ends the loop, and means it coming to the next row, and it is printing next row the 20,000 salary is there, so it is printing the 20,000 salary. dbms output when print put on the school line, it is mentioned here, so it is all displaying 20,000 salary. And exit when is false, because it is already getting the salary and getting the record, found the record. Next it is coming to the third record, and in third record the salary is 50,000, so it is automatically displaying here 50,000. And exit when condition is false, so next it will come to the fourth record, and in fourth record salary 80,000, so it will print the 80,000. Okay, right, it will print here 80,000. Okay, the salary is 80,000, it will be printed here. Now exit when condition is after 80,000 printing 80,000, the exit when condition is true. Okay, so now it will again come to search for 50,000, means next record. Okay, no, it is 80,000. So fifth row, whatever the salary is, here fifth row is not exist. Okay, so it will search for fifth row, but it will not found the fifth row, and it will print the whichever salaries it already have in the last processing. Okay, so it is already printed 80,000, so this is printing again 80,000 here. Okay, because it is not exiting the loop, so 80,000 is coming two times. First one is for processing the record for 80,000 salary, and second one is for since it is not exiting, it will search for fifth row, and since it is not in the search, when it search for fifth row, it is not exiting because the cursor is found no record, but it is not exiting. Okay, so that's why dbms out this command display the same result here, and then the cursor is exiting. Okay, so there, that's why this 80,000 is coming two times. Okay, I think you understand it very well, right? Here fourth record. Okay, so number of record is 4. Okay, yeah, fine. So I think you have understood well, and step by step I tried to explain it. So I think you got your answer, and hopefully you got your I explain it point wise. Okay, fine. So that's all for this tutorial session. Just if you found it knowledgeable and useful, just give a like to this video. And I basically busy in many courses, online courses. I am providing online courses. I'm busy in many trainings, and also I'm a consultant. Who are watching this video, just a little introduction about me. I am a senior consultant, Oracle consultant. I am also an technical and online trainer, corporate trainer, and also interviewer. And I have shared my experiences of my interview experiences here. You can just watch all these videos. Uh, I have already uploaded many videos on various interview topics and explain it in detail for interview questions and their answers, and with hands-on practicals. And this channel is basically for completely Oracle, on the Oracle different technologies, SQL, PLSQL programming, database architecture and design, then database administration, and Unix shell scripting. Okay, so all these things, all these technologies, I have around 17 years experiences. And I have worked on many IT MNCs like HCL, IBM, Accenture, and I worked also Tech Mahindra. Okay, so this kind of organization I have worked with, Infosys. Okay, so I have around 17 years of experiences, and currently I am a senior Oracle consultant as well as a technical trainer and online trainer, and I trained many MNC companies, their employees, in the induction training. I conduct induction training of their employees, and also I am a interviewer. I am a interview panelist of many MNCs. So I have shared many of my experiences in this video tutorial channel for your learning purpose, if you for your benefit, and I'm giving this all this free. So just watch for who want to learn Oracle. Oracle is a very very demanded technology, and every small and big company use Oracle as a backend database. So the recruitment of Oracle developer or SQL developer continuously going on throughout the year, every year, on many companies, starting from some small companies to the big companies. So if you really want to start your journey in the IT sector, who are already who passed out from the college and really want to grow up with demand skill, you can learn Oracle, different technologies, and you can grow up and make your skill. And if you I already uploaded many videos starting from very basic things, very basic concept to the advanced level of concept and explanation of each with hands-on. As you see, just watch my all the videos, and just watch all the videos in full, right? Okay, from the start to the end, so that you can learn in detail. And you cannot you should learn whatever you are learning, you should learn in detail. So I always trying to give a detailed video with practical example. Okay, so just that's all. And if my video is useful, after watching my video, if you feel that my video was useful for your learning and you are getting benefited from my video, you just give a like and comment below. Whatever your comment is, just comment below, and subscribe my channel, hitting the notification bell, so that I can, whenever I will upload the next video, you will get a notification and you can watch it for your learning. Okay. And for any consultation of your how you can grow your skill, in which area you should focus, if any consultation you need, you just can contact me. If you training, any training you need, I professionally, I provide all these trainings, starting from SQL, structured query language, then PLSQL programming, complete SQL, complete PLSQL programming, complete database architecture and design, database administration training, and Unix shell scripting training. Okay. And also Oracle forms and reports, that is for client server development, application development training. I provide all these trainings through online interactive sessions, so students can be benefited very much in interactive sessions. They can ask question and they can get the answer on the same time, and it will be very much interactive between the teacher and the learner. So in that way, I'm providing training, and if you are really interested to grow your career, you can just join my training session. Okay. So you can contact me in WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is here in the about page, and also my email ID is here. You can, if you want to join my, really interested to join my training session, you can just give me email. Okay. And I'll tell you a small process. After that processing, you can start your course. Okay. And I'll give detail in email, whatever the content about the course. All things will go smooth. Okay. And one thing I need to mention here, I have a tutorial website. So this is my training website. You can just visit it if you want to know what were all the trainings I provide and what are the content of that trainings. Each training you can just log in to, you can just visit this website and you can get all the things. Okay, just I'll show you once. So this is my training institute. Okay, I have established in 2017, and many people, many candidates from India and abroad, they are joining in my training through video conferencing and interactive online sessions. Okay. So just show here, see here, all the trainings I provide. You can just visit if you want to know the content of SQL training, what is the content is. Okay, all the trainings you can just go and visit my channel. Okay, visit my website. Okay, so that's all, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And I got this question today, just today I got this message, and I tried to make it today. Okay, during throughout the day I was very busy, and but after the all my work finished, I tried to try to give you some knowledge through this video. And my follower has asked this question, so I definitely will make a video. I have to make a video definitely, because I love to help people. I love to teach people. Teaching is my hobby. So that's all. Basically, teaching is my hobby from very beginning. When I started my career as a software developer, then I reached various positions. During that time, also before the software development, also I was in teaching actually. So teaching is very much a hobby. So I love teaching and I love to explain in detail. I love to teach candidates and students, and I am very much happy to help people or students who are basically want to learn something. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. I think that's too much for this video. Okay, and now okay, fine. Thank you for watching, and we'll see in next video. Just give a like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and colleagues in throughout the various medias like LinkedIn, Twitter, then WhatsApp group. You can just put the video link and share it with your friends and colleagues, so that they can also get to learn about many topics of Oracle. And that's all. Just give a like and subscribe my channel, and also hit the notification bell for the next video. You can just get a notification for that. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video, and comment. Your comment is very important for me. Just comment below after watching the video, and your comment is very valuable for me to improve my video quality, and also it will impress me for making next video. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you very much, and bye bye.